In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Telegram. We'll walk through the process on Telegram desktop or Telegram web, and the steps are essentially the same on both. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and how to confirm the block with confidence. Start by opening Telegram on your computer, either the desktop app or the web version in your browser. Once you're in, go to the chat with the person you want to block. If you don't see their conversation right away, use your chat list or your contacts to find them. Opening the chat first makes the next steps straightforward and keeps everything in context. With the chat open, click their name at the top of the window. This opens their profile panel, where you can see details like their display name, username, and profile photo. Take a moment to make sure you're looking at the right person, especially if you know multiple people with similar names. On Telegram desktop, the profile typically slides in from the right. On Telegram web, it appears in a panel on the side. In the profile panel, look for the three-dot menu next to their name. This is the overflow menu that holds additional options. Click it to reveal the actions you can take for this contact. From the list, choose Block User. Telegram will ask you to confirm, just to prevent accidental clicks. Go ahead and confirm, and the block will take effect immediately. Here's what that means. The person you blocked will no longer be able to send you direct messages or call you on Telegram. They won't be notified that you blocked them, but they may notice they can't reach you and that your last seen or online status is hidden. Your existing chat with them will remain in your list unless you decide to delete it separately, and you may still see them in mutual group chats. Blocking is focused on stopping direct one-on-one contact. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same profile panel, open the three-dot menu again, and choose to unblock. It's completely reversible, so you can adjust as your situation changes. That's all there is to it. Open Telegram. Go to the chat, click the person's name to open their profile, use the three-dot menu, and confirm Block User. Simple, quick, and effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Telegram experience calm, safe, and distraction-free.